Hello everyone, welcome back to TechnoChart's YouTube channel, and I hope everyone is doing fine. So those who are live with me, just send hi on the chat so that we can understand how many people are there as of now. And we are going to talk in today's session. We are going to talk about why the same strategy, if you are trading an algo trading strategy in two different accounts, अगर आप एक algo trading strategy दो different account में trade कर रहे हो, फिर भी आपके जो PNL में difference आ सकता है. तो बेसिकली हम वो रीजंस आज जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि ये पीएनएल में डिफरेंस बेसिकली आता क्यों है और इस चीज को हम कम कैसे करें, राइट. तो हम ये डिस्कशन करने वाले हैं उस टॉपिक के ऊपर. इसके अलावा आपको जो भी एल्गो ट्रेडिंग से रिलेटेड डाउट्स है वो आप चैट बॉक्स में डाल दीजिए, तो मैं उसको स्लोली एंड स्टडीली कवर कर दूंगा, राइट. तो बेसिक्स हम एल्गो ट्रेडिंग के बारे में हम जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि एल्गो ट्रेडिंग बेसिकली एक 2-5 मिनट हम इंट्रोडक्शन कर लेते हैं. बेसिकली हम क्या करते हैं, जैसे अगर हमने एक स्ट्रैटेजी डिजाइन करी है कि रोज सुबह सवेरे 9:30 बजे जाकर हमको एक स्ट्रैडल बेचना है. ना स्ट्रैडल का मतलब क्या है? एटीएम कॉल, एटीएम पुट, राइट. अगर हमको ये बेचना है और हमने ये बैक टेस्टिंग करी कि एटीएम कॉल एटीएम पुट बेचने के बाद में विथ 25% एसएल कैसा रिजल्ट आता है, और हमने देखा कि बैक टेस्टिंग में तो ये काफी अच्छा रिजल्ट दिखा रहा है, राइट. फिर हम इसको जाकर बेसिकली मैनुअल ट्रेड करने के अलावा, रादर देन ट्रेडिंग इट मैनुअली, हम क्या करते हैं, वी आर ट्राइंग टू ऑटोमेट दिस completely. Okay, so we use algorithms, or we use a software that is designed and that takes a trade based upon the conditions that we have put here, right. So algo trading का बेस यही है कि हम हमारी जो मार्केट की डिस्क्रिशनरी लर्निंग है उस चीज को हम ऑटोमेट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं इस केस में, राइट. नाउ coming to the towards the today's topic, I am going to discuss why one of the strategies that I traded today in two different accounts had two different PNL. Okay, so I'm going to show you the live results as well as the backtesting results of the same, and there would be difference in the live versus the backtest as well. Okay, so there is one strategy that I trade that is known as 930 OTM 200, where I am going and shorting a call option and put option that are lesser than 200 rupees, and adding a re-entry here. Okay, so in account number one, which is right now, the reference price that was traded, or the price at which at 9:30 it was taken, was 165 rupees was the call side, and 187 rupees was the put side here, right. हमने देखा 42,300 रुपीज हमारा 165 में शॉर्ट हुआ, और 42,100 पी हमारा 187 में शॉर्ट हुआ है, राइट. नाउ अगर आप और सोच रहे होंगे कि ये प्लेटफॉर्म कौन सा है, बेसिकली हाँ, ये जो प्लेटफॉर्म हम यूज कर रहे हैं ये है क्वांटिप्लाई. ओके, तो इसकी लिंक मैं आपको चैट बॉक्स में दे देता हूँ इधर. यू कैन यूज दैट लिंक एंड साइन अप in Quantiply using that link if you want. Okay, apart from that, just coming back here, हम देख रहे हैं कि 9:30 AM को रेफरेंस प्राइस जो था इन अकाउंट नंबर वन दैट वाज 165, एंड इन अकाउंट नंबर टू इट वाज 187. अब हम दूसरे अकाउंट में देखेंगे सेम नंबर, सेम स्ट्रैटेजी, सेम नंबर ऑफ लॉट्स हैविंग टू डिफरेंट रेफरेंस प्राइस. तो अब हम इसमें रेफरेंस प्राइस देख रहे हैं 163 रुपीज, और इसका है 191. तो हमने देखा इसका 2 रुपए कम हुआ, राइट. इधर हम देख रहे हैं 163 हो गया, और इधर हम देख रहे हैं 191 हो गया. इधर हम देख रहे हैं 167 165 हो गया, और इधर 187 हो गया. विद इन अ स्पैन ऑफ few milliseconds the price difference is there. All right, I hope you have understood this. Now after this we see that this is a 20% stop loss on the call side and 20% stop loss on the put side. So here हम देख रहे हैं कि हमारा जो stop loss था वो 196 रुपीज आया. ओके, इस केस में हमारा जो स्टॉप लॉस आया है वो 198 रुपीज आया, क्योंकि प्राइस का जो डिफरेंस था वो 2 रुपए से था. नाउ अब हम एक सिनेरियो देख रहे हैं जहां पे इधर बैक लाइव ट्रेडिंग में 196 हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया एक जगह पे, क्योंकि स्टॉप लॉस हमारा 10:19 पर 42,300 सी में स्टॉप लॉस हिट होता है. अगर हम जाकर चार्ट में देखें 42,300 रुपीज का स्टॉप लॉस इधर हम देख रहे हैं एग्जैक्टली, ओपन प्राइस देखिए उसका प्राइस है 197.60. राइट। अब हमारा देखा जाए तो इस केस में हमारा स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, क्योंकि इधर जो एग्जिट प्राइस था वो 196 था, हमारा स्टॉप लॉस जो था वो 196 था, इसलिए हमारा स्टॉप लॉस इधर जो है वो हिट हो गया। बट हम सेम स्ट्रेटजी में 1 रुपए के डिफरेंस से हमारा जो इस केस में स्टॉप लॉस था ये 198 हो गया। Right? I hope, have you understood this thing, where we see a difference in price of, where we see a difference in the stop loss because there was a difference in entry here. Now, even though the same strategy was traded in both the two different accounts, in one strategy I got a loss of 2100, and in one other account I got a profit of 3000 rupees. ओके, सो ये हो सकता था कि अकाउंट वन में लॉस हो और अकाउंट टू में प्रॉफिट हो, और ये भी हो सकता था कि अकाउंट टू में प्रॉफिट हो और अकाउंट टू में लॉस हो और अकाउंट वन में प्रॉफिट हो। राइट। सो generally you will see that these things are going to happen even if you trade, even if you use computers। इसे हम कहते हैं लेटेंसी, मतलब आप जब तक आपका ऑर्डर फिल होता है, जो प्राइस जो है वो ऊपर नीचे हो, ऑब्वियस की बात है। हम इवन हम अगर 930 को एग्जैक्टली exactly भी शॉर्ट कर रहे हैं तो दैट विल टेक फ्यू मिली सेकेंड्स, राइट। और वो फ्यू मिली सेकेंड्स में ही आपका जो प्राइस है वो डिफरेंट हो जाएगा। राइट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग कि कैसे हमारा जो प्राइस है वो डिफरेंस आ जाता है। अब हम जाकर देखेंगे कि क्या ये रेफरेंस प्राइस है, ये जो रेफरेंस प्राइस है ये सही है या गलत है। ओके, क्योंकि 930 को 42,300 सी जो हमारा शॉर्ट हुआ था वो 165 पे शॉर्ट हुआ। अब हम चार्ट में देखेंगे कि चार्ट में 930 को इसका प्राइस क्या था, ओपनिंग प्राइस 930 पे हम चले गए। आई होप यू कैन सी माई जेरोदा स्क्रीन एज वेल हियर। मैं थोड़ा सा जूम इन कर लेता हूँ इधर। अब हम 930 पे चले गए इधर। हम 930 को ओपनिंग प्राइस जो देख रहे हैं ये है, वन सेकेंड, सॉरी, ये 930 इधर है। हाँ, 930 को हम देख रहे हैं, इसका ओपनिंग प्राइस जो है वो है 165.20। मतलब क्या, ये जो है, ये जो प्राइस था ये एग्जैक्ट प्राइस है हमारा 165.20। इसमें बेसिकली जस्ट विद इन फ्यू मिली सेकेंड्स, विद इन फ्यू मिली सेकेंड इसका जो प्राइस है वो 163 आ गया। राइट, आई होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस थिंग कि व्हाई देयर इज अ डिफरेंस इन केस ऑफ प्राइस that we see at basically in two different accounts. Now, similarly, you will see I trade the same strategy in multiple accounts. In this account as well, I have got a loss in that strategy. In this account as well, I have got a loss in that strategy because my entry price was 164 here. Now, if the stop loss would have been hit, basically if the stop loss would have touched 180, 198 here, don't you think our stop loss would have hit in all the different accounts? Okay, so if the price would have touched just 1 rupees ahead, 1 रुपए और ऊपर टच कर लेता ये प्राइस, तो हमारा जो पीएनएल है वो सेम रहता अक्रॉस ऑल अकाउंट्स, because there was a difference in price of just few rupees of 1 or 2 rupees because of the live execution। तो उस केस में हमारा जो डिफरेंस है ये डिफरेंस आता है। राइट, सो यू कैन नॉट, फर्स्टली यू, जितना भी आप ट्राई कर लो इस एग्जीक्यूशन को, अगर आप इस चीज को आप अवॉइड नहीं कर सकते हो। whatever platform that you use, I personally use Quantiply, so I like that platform very much. It is great at execution, and personally I suggest all my clients to run the same account as well. Okay, so this is one thing that you have to remember, that it does not matter कि आप कोई भी प्लेटफॉर्म यूज कर लो, आपको बेसिकली ये जो डिफरेंस है ये डिफरेंस हमेशा आएगा। ओके, नाउ अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट, बेसिकली ये आपको बहुत चीज बार बार याद रखने की जरूरत है। नाउ, एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग टिल नाउ, रिगार्डिंग एल्गो ट्रेडिंग, और किसी के रिगार्डिंग आपको कोई क्वेरीज है अभी तक? Now, apart from that, you can get a lot of difference in PNL as well. For example, let's say that you have put a price. मैं आपको इधर एक लाइव एग्जांपल फिर से दिखाता हूँ. लेट्स से कि हमारा जो एंट्री प्राइस था, हमने एक डिजाइन किया स्ट्रैटेजी, वहां पे हम क्लोजेस्ट प्रीमियम जो यूज कर रहे हैं, जो क्लोजेस्ट प्रीमियम यूज कर रहे हैं, हमें इधर ग्रेटर देन 200 यूज करना कंपलसरी है. ग्रेटर देन यूज करना. ये ग्रेटर देन और लेस देन अगर आप यूज नहीं करोगे क्लोजेस्ट प्रीमियम, if you do not use this, then your slippages are going to increase more basically. ओके, सो ये चीज आपको याद रखने की बहुत ज्यादा जरूरत है कि कैसे हम हमारे स्लिपेजेस को कम कर सकते हैं. आपका पहला मेथड है कि इस चीज को आप बेसिकली ऐसे डिजाइन करो आपकी स्ट्रैटेजी जहां पे आप प्रीमियम को डिफाइन करके रख रहे हो कि प्रीमियम हैज टू बी ग्रेटर देन 200 और लेसर देन 200, और इट कुड बी ग्रेटर देन 100 और लेसर देन 100. Now, basically, I am coming live with Markets League, and more than 20-25 individuals are going to come together, and we are now going to discuss more about algo trading. So, this is a investing conference of 5 days active interaction with market experts, and the agenda or the highlights for this 5 day live trading sessions is access to expiry trading room. Now we are around 20 to 25 people with a capital of from 10 lakhs to more than 1 crore are going to come, and they'll teach you more about algo trading. You can basically, if you just know some kind of basics as well and you want to scale your capital or you want to learn more about algo trading, then uh, Markets League is coming with an algo trading, you can say webinar or a complete online investing conference, which you can join, and you can learn more about algo trading, real time trade execution in live markets, and they are also coming with one on one mentorship. Okay, so they are also coming with one-on-one mentorship, which is going to help you to excel your algo trading career. Now, I have requested them for a discount for especially for TechnoCharts YouTube channel subscriber. Now, I'm sharing the link for registering for this conference, and it is an online conference where you will be uh, you will get training, one-on-one training as well, on demand one-on-one training as well from the market expert, and there are a lot of freebies that you'll get like backtesting tool and sensible subscription as well. And if you want any strategies to be automated, you are going to get these kind of freebies as well. So I've shared the link of Markets League, and you can use that special link for discount so that you can join this investing conference that is being held online. Right now, comparing. So few of the subscribers have requested a comparison between Algo Test and Quantiply. So personally, I have never used Algo Test, and I do not know the execution of Algo Test, but I use Quantiply, so I can talk about Quantiply where it has great execution. I generally do not face errors into execution, and Abhi, who is there, who generally he will provide us 24/7 support, and even in live market you can message anytime for the customer service, right? So that is why I prefer Quantiply over any other platform. Now, broker platform पर भी price difference होता है. Yeah, definitely brokers are also fetching prices from different vendors. ओके, सो एनएसई से जो प्राइस आता है वो या फिर जो हम हमारे ब्रोकर्स है, आपको सेम चार्ट बेसिकली यू विल सी 1 or 2 rupees डिफरेंस इन केस ऑफ ब्रोकर चार्ट एज वेल. ओके, सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट कॉमन थिंग्स दैट यू कैन सी कि ब्रोकर के चार्ट में भी आपको प्राइस डिफरेंस दिखेगा. आपको एग्जीक्यूशन के टाइम पे जब भी आप एग्जीक्यूट करोगे कोई स्ट्रैटेजी को भी, दो डिफरेंट अकाउंट में भी, दो अगर इट डज नॉट मैटर इफ इट इज सेम broker or if it is a different broker, you can get two different prices even within 1 millisecond as well. But over a period of time, these differences between the backtest result and the live result or that you see are going to average out and these does not matter. So अभी अब मैं देखूं तो backtest में क्या result बताया. Okay, now it is important for me to see कि what does the backtest show. So in the backtest I can clearly see the backtest for the same strategy has shown me a loss of 3000 rupees. In one account I have faced a loss of 3000 rupees, but in the other account I have faced a profit of 3000 because the stop loss did not hit luckily in that. Okay, now but we are going, our strategy result matches with the back test, so that is not a worry here. And if you want to be safe, you can start backtesting the strategies, request for a backtest with 1% slippage, so you will get an ideal backtest result there. Okay, now the question, one more question rises is how to reduce slippage. Slippages can be further reduced by definitely by using stop loss limit order. It is a humble request to everyone that you should never ever use a market order for slippages. Slippages, I mean, sorry, market order for exiting a strategy. To to exit a strategy, always use stop loss limit order, and you can use a difference of 5 rupees in between the limit and the trigger price there. So a difference of 5 rupees is more than enough to I mean अगर कोई स्टॉप लॉस जंप आ जाता है उस केस में आपको वो 5 रुपए का जो डिफरेंस है वो काफी है सेटिस्फाई करने के लिए. आई हैव नेवर फेस्ड अ स्टॉप लॉस जंप if I've used a limit order with a price difference between trigger and limit of 5 rupees. Okay, now one more good question that has come is, can you quantify or all the charges that come into algo trading? Okay, all the charges that come into algo trading. Basically, the first charge that I'm going to talk about is brokerage. Now, personally, I do not, I use personally Finvasia. So I do not have zero brokerage here. I use Finvasia. Okay. But if you are not using Finvasia here, you can get up to 1% of your capital as a brokerage minimum. 1% of your capital as a brokerage. Algo trading charges, algo trading platform, for example Quantiply, it will cost you around 1500 to 2000 rupees depending upon the number of strategies that you run. This is the second cost. Third cost is, if you want to do backtest, that backtesting can cost you 1500 rupees, that is one time. Okay, let me just show you one second. Let me just show you. I've designed the sheet here. Okay, one second. I've already I'll just zoom it in. Yeah. So now I hope you can see this screen here. So quantiply charges, basically quantiply charges आपके जो आएंगे वो आएंगे around 1500 to 2000 rupees. It depends. अगर आप, if you are trading with around 8 to 10 lakh rupees, then this will be the cost. Stock mock one time fee would come at around 1500 rupees. This charge basically I am talking about is for a capital of 4 lakh rupees. तो Zerodha का API charge जो रहेगा that will come at around 2000 rupees. Brokerage and all for on a capital of 4 lakh rupees would come at around 4000 rupees. So approximately, if you want to run a strategy on a 10 lakh basket, okay, your algo trading charges would come at around 1500, your brokerage would come at around 10,000, then ये है algo charges. Once your brokerage would come at around 10k, then your API charge in case of Zerodha, only Zerodha, that would come at around 2k, 2000 per month. This is the minimum cost that you will have to pay. Okay, apart from that, you can अगर आपको दूसरे चार्जेस जो है वो है वन टाइम फी ऑफ क्या नाम है अपना बैक टेस्टिंग का, बैक टेस्टिंग फी वन टाइम समझ लो 1500 रुपीज के आसपास. So this is the minimum capital or minimum charge on capital of 10L, right? So this is what you can expect of expenditure of around 13,000 to 14,000 per month, 1 to 1.4 percent. Now, if you use Finvacia, you can this will come at around 1,500. This will come at around 5,000. This is zero, and this is 1,500. So you can save up to 4 to 5,000 on a capital of 10k, 10 lakh rupees. uh, People are talking about co-allocation a lot. What is co-location? Co-location basically, मतलब मुझे जितना आइडिया है co-location के बारे में, people ये सर्वर से रिलेटेड है. दे डू नॉट टेक डेटा. जो हम डेटा लेते हैं, जो हम यूज कर रहे हैं, हम किसी थर्ड पार्टी ऐप से यूज कर रहे हैं, राइट? जो लेट्स से क्वांटिप्लाई, तो क्वांटिप्लाई किसी और से फीड मंगाता है और वो फीड हमारे एल्गो को मिलती है और उससे ट्रेड होता है. बट व्हाट को लोकेशन जनरली मींस मेरे हिसाब से, कि आप आपका जो डेटा है वो डायरेक्टली एनएससी से लेते हो और आपके ऑर्डर जो है डायरेक्टली वो डेटा पे एग्जीक्यूट होता है. So probably the slippages that you get are very less compared to the other, but the trading cost will also increase. और उस केस में that is suggested, that is good for people having a bigger capital, not for traders with a smaller capital. Uh, there, see, I personally, the to avoid, I mean, I would say you, if you are trading for a longer term, then we do not use then we do not have to worry about SL after delay. We can use advanced stop loss from Quantiply only, because if you use delay, then your slippages are going to increase eventually, because you are not going to get slippages every day. There is only few instances, and we are considering that as well already in our backtest, right? So we are already are assuming that we are going to get 80% of the backtest result in that. So do not increase your slippages. Do not increase your slippages by using by delaying your stop loss limit order. In Quantiply, SL will be in Algo platform itself or in the broker. It will be in broker terminal. So you do not have to worry even if Quantiply goes down. Example, it does not go down, but still if Quantiply goes down, then you do not have to worry. Okay, now I have designed many strategies for various capital. So first is the option buying strategy that has given around every year has given around 100% returns with around 40-45% DD on a capital of 1.5 lakh rupees. 1.5 lakh rupees. So this is one of the algo strategies that people with 1.5-2 lakh rupees can trade with. Apart from that, I have designed strategies also for various capital from ranging from 7 lakh 4 lakh rupees to 50-60 lakh rupees as well. Now, so if you are a person who wants to know more, or if you want to inquire more about algo trading strategies, you can use, I'm sharing the WhatsApp link here. You can basically click on the link or DM me on WhatsApp on this number. Okay, so if you are a person who is looking for algo trading strategies, option selling, intraday option selling strategies, then you can use that link or DM me on WhatsApp as well. I would help you out regarding the strategies and diversification as well. So the PNL, this is my PNL of today. Basically, it is not that much, around 50,000 rupees profit on a capital of around 1.25 CR that I've deployed of mine as well as of my clients. My total profit in my account was basically around 16,000 rupees or so. 16,000, 15,500, right? So this was the PNL in my account on a capital of 40 lakh rupees, 43 lakh rupees. And these are various clients accounts that I manage as well, right? So I mean, for managing money, the minimum capital that is required is 20 lakh rupees. And then in case you are interested for that, then you can also message me for that, right? So in Quantiply as well, I'll talk about some of the settings in Quantiply. You can use exit order for exit order with 5 point difference. So you can see here 5 point difference, and the re-entry method that you have to select is on candle close. Okay, so the re-entry that you have to select here is based upon the candle close. Okay, any other queries that you want to answer, that you want to ask? Okay, so someone has asked about any platform which triggers or execution based upon indicators. Now, personally, I haven't used indicator-based strategies because uh, I haven't used re-entry. Sorry, I haven't used indicator-based strategies deployed till now because probably they have given lesser percentage returns compared to these strategies. But you can use Quantsman. Quantsman. I will Quantsman you can use basically for deploying such strategies. I do not know much about their execution, how accurate is the execution, so I cannot comment much about that. But you can go and explore that. Please explain re-entry only hit target. Now there is no re-entry on target hit in Quantiply, but uh, you can use this basically re-entry on री-एग्जीक्यूट है वो री-एंट्री नहीं है आप री-एग्जीक्यूट ऑन टारगेट हिट करके आप यूज कर सकते हो विच द स्टॉक मॉक हैज डिजाइन राइट नाउ स्टॉक मॉक ने अभी डिजाइन किया if target is hit then it is is it possible to do it on quantiply as of now it is not possible to do it on quantiply okay so around 28 29 people are active right now are watching the videos please hit like button and do share this channel with your friends so that you can get more insightful stuff on cash trading as well as algo trading right it is a humble request and at least what you can do is you can hit like as well as share the videos with your friends yesterday we did a live session on uh, yesterday day before yesterday we did a live session on uh, breakout trading so you can go and watch that live video as well. Where can I backtest strategy for Nifty futures? Nifty futures, you can basically hire a person for backtesting it, or basically you can use stock mock as well. You can use stock mock as well for time based entry and time based exit, percentage based entry and percentage based exit. Right. So you can use these links. You can use now. See if you are a person who is more interested now to explore or improve their algo trading journey. That is why around Markets League has organized this online conference for which has more than 20-25 people coming and sharing their trading strategies as well as giving more insights on algo trading. I have shared the link in the description for this special link for this webinar, the online investing and trading series. So you can use that link and join us for the live sessions as well. Right? Any further queries that you all want to ask? Uh, how do you manage gamma spikes on option selling on Thursday? Now, basically, see, you do not worry. See, अगर आप एक बार के बारे में सोचोगे कि एक बार गामा स्पाइक आ गया तो हर बार हमें उसके बारे में नहीं सोचना रहता है टू बी ऑनेस्ट राइट नाउ दीज आर ऑल पार्ट एंड पार्सल आपको एक बार आएगा उसमें आपका एक बार लॉस कट गया तो हो गया कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है बट इफ यू कंटिन्यूसली थिंक और उसके कारण अगर आप स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर में एग्जीक्यूशन डिले डालते हो तो उससे आपको बड़े बड़े नुकसान होने के ज्यादा चांसेस है कंपेयर टू द स्लिपेजेस दैट यू फेस इन गामा स्पाइक So it's simple that you do not, I mean, it's simple that over a period of time those gamma spikes are going to, I mean, not matter much. अगर आप सेम स्ट्रेटजीज, अगर आप सेम चीज एग्जीक्यूशन डिले कर लेते हो, उस केस में यू विल गेट, उस केस में यू विल गेट मोर स्लिपेजेस. हैव यू बैक टेस्टेड एनी पोजिशनल ऑप्शन स्ट्रेटजी? I have backtested positional options trading strategies recently, only one or 2 days before. I just started trading those strategies today. So I do not know much about positional options selling, but I have just started. I am going to live test it for 1 month and then probably share the details with you. Do you have any strategy which has given good consistency? So for a capital of 15 lakh rupees, 10 to 15 lakh rupees, I have designed very good strategies as well, that has given more than 20-35% return in backtest, as well as I'm running many different strategies that are giving such returns, right? So you can use or you can DM me on this number directly, or you can use the link in the description as well, and I've pinned the link in the chat box, live chat. So you can use any of the three things and DM me for the backtest. I have never tested a strategy based on VWAP as of till now, so I do not have any idea. Right? So, any further queries that you want to ask? I hope I was able to answer your queries where we see same strategy in two different accounts having two different PNLs. राइट. सो इधर हम देख रहे हैं सेम स्ट्रैटेजी है, इसमें हम देखेंगे कि कैसे S1 S2, वन सेकेंड, नॉट दिस S1 में देखना, इधर 400 रुपए का प्रॉफिट, इधर 300 रुपए का प्रॉफिट. इधर हम देखेंगे 2200 का प्रॉफिट, इधर 2100 का प्रॉफिट. टू डिफरेंट अकाउंट्स, नाम लिखा हुआ है. इधर 1600 1600, फिर इधर एक मेजर डिफरेंस आ गया, बाकी सब जगह डिफरेंस सेम है. सो दिस डिफरेंस विल एवरेज आउट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. सो यू डू नॉट हैव टू वरी कि आपका आज पीनल डिफरेंस आ गया तो क्या मतलब कुछ इशू है. कभी आपका स्टॉप लॉस हिट होगा बैक टेस्ट के अकॉर्डिंग, कभी ये भी हो सकता है कि बैक टेस्ट में स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया और लाइव में स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं हुआ. ये भी हो सकता है कि बैक टेस्ट में स्टॉप लॉस हिट नहीं हुआ और लाइव में स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया, डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर एंट्री प्राइस. द डिफरेंस जस्ट ये तभी होगा जब बहुत मार्जिनली आपका स्टॉप लॉस स्किप हो जाएगा या मार्जिनली स्टॉप लॉस बच जाएगा 1-2 रुपए से, राइट. सो I have never done algo. So you can start algo trading with a smaller capital as well, for with a capital of 4 lakh rupees. That is not an issue. I have designed strategies as well for a smaller capital, and you can DM me on that number. How often is the execution? How often is the execution different? How often is the execution different from backtest? Okay, so it does not happen much. You know, in the end, at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, your backtest and real trading is going to match. That I can guarantee you. I can guarantee you, if your execution platform is great, if your execution platform is Quantiply at least, then definitely you'll not get, or you'll get uh, excellent results. Personally, I've been trading with Quantiply. I trade around 60-70 algos. So as you can clearly see here, the number of strategies that I run on Thursday are 77. 77 different strategies I run across all my accounts on a capital of around 2.5 CR. I use hedge on Thursday. So that is why I have diversified it. What is difference between re-entry and re-execute? Re-entry happens when after a stop loss gets hit. Example, let's take an example here where we have shorted an option at 100 rupees. The price went till 150. Okay. Now this is 100 rupees option. Now let's it अगर हमारा इधर stop loss hit हो जाता है and if the price again comes back to 100, below 100, then it is going to short. This is known as re-entry. But जैसे ही हमारा 100 का 150 वाला stop loss hit होता है, ये फिर से जाकर 100 रुपए वाला जो स्टॉप 100 रुपए वाला जो प्रीमियम है ये फिर से शॉर्ट करेगा. So re-execute is a loss-making strategy in case of trending markets. but it is good for reversal as well as sideways market, right? So Thursdays for re-execute is a very excellent. I think so. I use re-execute on Thursdays a lot. Many strategies I use are having re-execute on Thursdays. They have given excellent result. So I am planning. I just want your uh, views on this. I am planning a paid webinar for people those who want to start algo trading. I would be having around 4 to 5 hours of sessions on weekends with for a capital of around 3 to 4 lakh rupees. So how, would you all be interested? Just type yes or no if you want me to do it, or yeah, it would be complete 4 to 5 hour session across Saturday and Sunday. We will discuss about basics of algo trading, how to start algo trading. We are now then going to discuss the how we can improve our results in algo trading. 2 3 different strategies that can be traded using 4 to 5 lakh rupees, and what is the realistic ROI that we can expect, right? So if you all are interested in that, I would be making all the presentations. I would be giving you all that stuff as well, learning material, for so that you can improve and avoid the mistakes that I have done. Because I have given money to the markets and I've learned few things. I've given a lot of money to the markets for learning new things. I mean, that is a small price uh, 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 through which you can learn that, right? So definitely I'll plan something out by the end of this month. And if you are liking this, if you think that I have added value to this, to your algo trading journey, just hit like button. And we are now going to end the stream, right? Thank you. Have a great day. And if you are having any queries, just put it in this comment section of this video. Okay, once I end this. Okay, thank you.